children. Today we are going to study 6th Standard English, Session 6, Trip to Ooty, Section 2 and 3. Children, already we have seen Section 1, that is first part of the letter. The first part of the letter is about her feelings and entering into the toy train. In this part 2 and 3, outside view of the hill station and what they have sighted in the track. First, section 2. Let's see. The scene outside was beautiful with the purple blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. If we travelled in the Ooty side, we can see lots of tea estates and Ooty is mainly occupied with tea estates. Monkeys were racing all along the tracks. Some were in groups and some had babies clinging onto them. Clinging means to hold on tightly to somebody. Look, Fatima, doesn't that monkey look cute holding on to its mother's stomach? I pointed excitedly. Yes, some monkeys were holding their babies on its stomach, so it is so cute. The monkeys were really bold. One of them tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand as she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the track. She let out a scream and moved back. So the monkey tried to snatch a banana from her hand. She used to scream and moved back to the train. Now it was Muthu's turn to snigger. Yes, first the girls were laughed at him when the teacher scolded him. Now it's turn to Muthu. Now he laughed at the girls. I looked entranced at the misty clouds which covered the mountains and moved in and out of the forest. It looked just like a dream sequence in a movie. The clouds were covered the mountains and forest. It's just like a dream sequence in the movie. Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Look, Merlin, can you see that bird there? It is such a pretty blue and has such a lovely crown, she said. So, they saw a small bird. It has a blue color and it has a lovely crown. Just then, the train stopped suddenly with a thud. Thud. What is thud? Thud means heavy object hits something else. So, suddenly the train was stopped with a sound. Oh, what happened? Asked a boy. Hey, why has the train stopped? Shouted another passenger. So, suddenly the train was stopped. Then all of them shouting that why the train is stopped. But nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were the first to step out to see what had happened. So, nobody can stop the Muthu. He and his friends tried to step out the train and see what had happened in the train. Why the train was stopped. We want to inquire that. Geeta madam tried to stop the children running out, but they were too excited and begged to be allowed to go out. So, Geeta madam and other teachers were trying all the children to stop running out, but they were too excited to see what happened in the train. So, they were begging to teachers to allow to go out. In the end, the whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. Next, section 3. There was a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby trumpeting loudly. So, what they have seen in the track? They have seen a baby elephant sitting on the track, and it's near mother elephant trumpeting loudly. What is trumpeting? Trumpeting means screaming loudly. The engine driver tried to coax the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. The mother didn't let anyone near the baby. So, usually the wild animals are not let the people enter near to their kids. So, the mother elephant didn't let anyone near the baby. So, people stood around trying to make the baby move by making all kinds of sounds. The baby just sat there looking frightened and the mother kept trumpeting. So, the baby elephant looking too frightened and the mother elephant keep on shouting. Finally, Muttu, the naughty boy of the class, went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. So, at last Muttu, the naughty boy of the class, went near to the baby elephant with the bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat it, he moved backwards. So, the baby elephant trying to eat the bunch of bananas, but he moved backwards. He kept doing this till the baby was out on the side of the tracks. So, the Muttu was keep on doing the same thing when the baby elephant was let out the side of the track. Luckily, the mother too stopped trumpeting and watched the whole show. So, the mother elephant was watching what the Muttu was doing and the mother elephant stopped his shouting. Everyone cheered as the baby started eating the bananas. Many bunches of bananas were piled near the baby and the mother. So, all the passengers clapped when the baby elephant was eating the bananas and lot of bunch of bananas were piled near the baby and mother elephant. As they were eating, everyone got into the train and it left after a delay of an hour. Geeta ma'am had told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. So, Geeta ma'am already said to the children, in that way we have seen elephants means that we are lucky to see the elephant. It is very rare to come in the way. Madam, wouldn't have imagined we would see a wild elephant this close, said Fatima. Now, Fatima asking to the Geeta madam, did you imagine that we have seen elephant this much close to us? It was such a fantastic trip. On a normal fast train ride, we do not notice the scenery or the landscape. When the train was going too fast, we can't the scenery or landscapes of the place. If the train is going slowly, we can notice all the things. It rushes by so fast. But slowly chugging up and down the beautiful mountainside was different. I will never forget the wide, wind-swept tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. So, Merlin has never forget these tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, and the scenery. She doesn't forget ever. It was enchanting to listen to the murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. We even saw an elephant and its baby. Our whole group was so excited by the trip and they still talk about it. So, the children were really excited when they saw the elephant and its baby. The whole group was so excited and the trip was really interesting to them. Okay, at last, your loving friend Merlin. She ends the letter with your loving friend Merlin. So, that's all the letter. Okay kids, next homework. Read the toy train, page number 116 and underline the main points. Okay, thank you students. We will meet in the next video.